2025 4th of July fireworks walkthrough. Got the UFO fountain by Miracle. Got a couple peacock fountains. Couple it's good to see you fountains. Row of candles. Got a prophecy. Couple Eighth Wonders. 4 Chameleon X's. The other 2 over there. Sun's starting to go down. Can't wait, a couple hours till showtime. Got some Yankee Doodles. Got the shells laid out. Wolf Warrior cake, and then pretty much just all shells out back. I love these big Roman candles. I think these are great. I'm trying to use them more and more in my shows every year, so I was gonna put a couple off the side like that, and then down the other side too, to see if it gives a wider low break effect. And then mostly for the shells I got 8 cases of raccoons bulk nishiki. That's pretty much what I got. And then I got about 1,000 total. Got some other stuff. Finale's way out there at the end, so should be good. Should be pretty good this year. All right, I think this Girandolo is gonna fail because the stick is broken. Let's give it a go.